Hi, I will walk you through the import process of importing Shipdex data into the Certica software solution. We've added an import button to our software where you can easily start importing your Shipdex data from a supplier. First step is to select the actual data set containing the Shipdex data. So I browse on my computer to where I have my Shipdex data. And you can see I have a whole list here of different data packages. I'll select the main engine for import and say OK. When I press next, I go to the next step in the process. It'll now load the data set and show me what vessel data is contained inside. It does this by showing the list of IMO numbers. So I select the IMO number that is appropriate for the vessel that I'm importing the data to and press next. Next step is to decide where in my data structure for the vessel I want to place the data that I import. In this case, I've already set up a component called main engine 2, where I want to save the main engine data from the supplier. I then press next. Then the system shows me a list of the different pieces of equipment contained inside the data package from Shipdex. And you can see there's a lot in here. I can select by using the checkboxes what data I want to import. In this case, I want everything. I press next and the system will start the import. When the import is finished, you're able to see the details of the data imported through Certica. In this case, we had our main engine 2 that now has a lot of information all taken directly from the data package. If I look at something like the axial vibration dampener here, if I expand that, you can see that it has jobs and it has items attached. And when I open up the details of the damper, you'll see that a lot of the technical details are imported directly from the Shipdex data. This means that we have very, very nice data, both for our procurement in regards to the spare parts needed, but also when we look at the maintenance and the documentation around what needs to be done, how things are disassembled, and so on. That is it for now. Goodbye.